here is our digital audio mixer. The settings here all replicate the mixer over there. If you can see, if I move a fader here, the faders move over there. So it controls it completely. One thing to note, we're going to close the software first. It is here under X32 Edit, as well as top right corner where the main applications are, X32 Audio. So click on that. It'll open here. It'll ask you, do you want to connect to the mixer? So you hit connect. This is very, very important. Right here, mixer to PC is what we want. We want all the settings on the mixer to come to the PC here. If you hit PC to mixer, everything will go crazy. Be sure to hit mixer to PC. Mixer to PC. It'll synchronize, bring all the settings from the mixer to the software. And for the most part, the only things you'll need to adjust are these 4 mics here. We always leave them open. When a guest turns their mic on, you'll see it here. You'll see the levels in these sidebars here, right there. And so Chris is always number 1. 2, 3, and 4, you can mix and match them for other guests. It's totally fine. When Chris is talking, for the best audio, you want to turn down the guests' mics to like -10. Because if not, Chris will actually bleed over into the guest's mic, and it'll sound kind of like a double. You'll hear him double, kind of like phasing itself out. So if you can, when Chris is asking a question, lower this to 10, and when he's done, and the guest is going to talk, quickly raise it back up to 0. These are all preset with compressors, so you should be able to run everything at 0 and be good. If for some reason you hear the audio is peaking or it doesn't sound good, you can click on their guest channel right here. You'll see it loads to their channel, and then you'll come up and press the channel button. This will give you some more settings, and the one you might need to adjust is your gain. If they're really quiet and not loud enough, you can adjust the gain up. If they're too loud, and your meters are here, if their in or their output is reaching here in the red, you can lower the gain back down. So you don't want the input or the output to be in the red, so just adjust your gain accordingly. And then if you use another channel, you click on that, and now it goes to this other channel too. And same thing here. You'll see Julie's gain is really high, but for most of our other guests, we have the gain really low. So if it's clipping, just watch these levels here, and this is how you lower it through the gain. Not necessarily through this fader, because the fader, if it's clipping on the input, the fader will always be clipping no matter what. So make sure you adjust the gain by just clicking on their channel and going to channel here, the channel tab. And that's basically it. That's the audio in the software. There's a whole bunch of other things to show you, but like all of our channels from the TriCaster come in here as well too, but that is the advanced level. So